Follow me on Instagram at manager_automobiles for daily updates. Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 Diecast model of 1998 Mitsubishi Pajero. Okay guys, so this is the model itself. The quality is not that great, but it is the only option if you want to buy a Pajero in 1x18 scale. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this model from ebay.com. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.